Romualdez?
Wala pa kasi yung Gutesa affidavit pa lang ang lumalabas. He didn't show up today at gusto namin iklaro lahat. At kasi nga, kahit nasabihin natin may issue ng notarization, the fact that it is a sworn statement delivered under oath in the Senate makes it an official statement pa rin. Bali, disregarded lang yung affidavit. But as part of that affidavit that was read, he wanted to enter the Witness Protection Program, and I told him yesterday, I'll be here at 9:30. Punta ka na para mag-usap tayo. In the end, I think he said that he can defend himself. Pero witness protection is not just that. It's about being a part of it because he'll be confessing to be a part of the crime. Sa Nasaran Lighters, accessory lang siya. Pero kung talagang credible siya, kasi marami rin naman mga tanong na pumapasok tungkol sa mga narration. Maraming mga tanong na pumapasok. Gaya nung maletang 48 kilos, parang I've never seen that or heard of that. And 46 of that, that's 3 tons of money. Marami kang math na pwedeng gawin tungkol dito. Kaya we really have to talk to him. O kailangan nila naman siya mag-vet. Kasi if the DOJ or the Ombudsman will prosecute it, those facts will still be important.